we'll guide you through how to make fog in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the Library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and all available adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, click the Masking tool to create a targeted adjustment for a specific area of the image. From the masking options, select Linear Gradient to create a smooth transition effect across part of the photo. After selecting the Linear Gradient tool, drag the gradient over the area where you want the fog effect to appear. Position and resize the gradient until it covers the desired portion of the image while blending naturally with the surrounding areas. Once the gradient has been placed correctly, increase the exposure slightly to brighten the selected area and create the appearance of soft atmospheric light. Next, reduce the dehaze slider to remove contrast and introduce a hazy look that resembles natural fog. Continue by reducing the clarity slider to soften midtone contrast and make the selected area appear smoother. After adjusting the clarity, reduce the texture slider to minimize fine details and enhance the soft, misty appearance of the effect. If needed, increase the feather setting so the gradient blends more gradually into the rest of the image. Adjust the feather amount until the transition looks smooth and realistic. For a stronger fog effect, add another linear gradient and position it over another part of the image or overlap it with the existing gradient. Adjust the second gradient using similar settings until the overall effect looks balanced and natural.